What is the metaverse? Let's break the word down. Metaverse is made of two words, meta and verse. Meta means beyond. Verse is taken from universe. So, the metaverse is a place beyond the physical universe. The metaverse is an immersive, shared virtual shared space, where people gather to socialize, play, and work. It is created by merging several technologies like AR, VR, the internet. AR is augmented reality. It is what virtually enhances the physical reality and makes it more interesting and attention-grabbing. And it's very near you and I. Examples of augmented reality can be found on your smartphone. Think of the filter on Snapchat or Instagram stories. Remember, it is anything that enhances physical reality. AR is very efficient. With a smartphone, you can experience it. Other AR use cases in everyday life include driving. Enhanced navigation systems use AR to superimpose a route on the live view of roads. Sports. AR is used to draw lines on the field to illustrate, analyze plays. Home design. IKEA's giant furniture company has the IKEA Place app that lets you see how furniture will fit into your space before you buy. Surgery. Neurosurgeons use an AR projection of a 3D brain to help them study a patient's brain before or during surgeries. History. Project views of ancient civilizations on today's ruins brings the past to life. Air travel. Singapore Airport wear AR glasses to see cargo container info. VR is virtual reality. It is an artificial environment created with software. It is shown to the user in a way that the user becomes less aware of their physical environment, and starts to believe and accept it as a real environment. VR is make-believe. On a PC, virtual reality is experienced through two of the five senses, sight and sound. However, on our metaverse, this computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional environment will also be interacted using the sense of touch. And maybe even smell and taste. Think of an immersive experience using special equipment like haptic suits, wearable gear with a screen inside, or gloves fitted with sensors. Because of the extra gadgets, VR for now is expensive and inefficient. However, with everything technology, the cost will go down and become affordable to everyone. So, you can see that a metaverse is an interesting place that will look like a mixture of our physical lives and different exciting fantasies. The COVID-19 pandemic was the perfect catalyst that helped in making many people accept the idea of the metaverse faster than ever. So, what will the metaverse be worth? The metaverse could be worth up to $30 trillion in 10 years. Metaverse investor and writer Matthew Ball. While I cannot put a figure, I agree it will be worth trillions of dollars. In my opinion, if the metaverse succeeds, its economy will be bigger than all cryptocurrencies in value. Just like because the global economy is greater than the stock, forex, crypto markets combined.